Hello student, this video is the next part of lesson number 8, a treat for mosquito. Now student, you have to write, find out and tell. You have to write the answer, you have to find out this answer. Then think, why do you think it talks about putting fish into the tank? What you will be think the fish is. Now see, when we put the fish into the tank, no, that fish in the tank can be eat mosquito larvae. So it will help to protect ourselves, to protect our area by spreading mosquito of malaria. Now come on this page number 73. You have to find this, which disease spread by flies and how. In last video I told you typhoid, then diarrhea, this kind of disease spread by flies. Now student, here you have to do survey. Divide your class into two groups. Now our class is not there and school is not there, so you do yourself do this survey in front of your house. So what you have to do, you have to go around and to check area in front of the house, and it must carefully note if has collected anywhere any mark correct where it is find stagnant water. Now see, in front of the area you have to go, you have to take your book with you and you have to fill this page, and you whenever you will get no stagnant water, that time you have to write tick. In pot में मिला है तो pot में करो. If cooler, then you have to do correct tick. Then tank, and a person's space in school ground, then gutter and any other places. Now you do as per your area this. Okay, now read this and fill this answer. Write your observation over here. Now make poster. You have to do also make poster in your group. Make a poster which message to keep the cooler, tank, drains and the area clean. Whenever water collect, put up your poster into poster in and around your school. Now you have to do this poster by yourself with the help of your parents, and find out who is responsible for keeping the area around your school, means around your home. Then write a letter from your class reporting your findings, suggestions. Okay, you don't do this. Now come on page number 2. As an example, here two reports are given here. Some children did this survey and here are some of their reports. Now see, what is that report? Group 1, that children found some things green around the tap in our school, which is called algae. Algae means what? Sheval. Algae is a plant which are in green color, dark green color, but these plants don't have any flowers, stem, leaves, then fruits. It is a simple like a slippery looking like this sticky plant is that is called algae. Algae means sheval. Due to this algae, no, it had also become slippery there. Slippery means what? We can, due to this algae, no, if we see the algae around the water and inside the water, it's look like a sleepy. We can sleep on this plant if we keep our foot on that. So algae spread a lot during the rainy season. Only rainy season we can see the algae. In summer that algae will dry. We think that they are some kind of small plants that grow in a water. That algae mostly is an aquatic plant. It grow in a water and around the water. Now what is group 2 is saying? See, there is a pond near the school. At first you cannot see water in the pot as it completely covered with the plant. First they cannot be recognized that there is a pond, because that pond, no, all that pond covered by with the plants. And the one auntie told us that these plants have grown themselves. No one plant them. These plants no grow themselves in the water. No one plant them. Around the pond there are pits full of the water. Pits means what? Khadde. Pani ke khadde. Around the ponds, no, around the ponds there are pits full the water, full of water. We also saw some larvae. Larvae means what? The eggs of the mosquito. So in the water, sorry, larvae means what? Larvae means what? The baby mosquito, which are come out from the egg of mosquito. So larvae in the water, they saw there into the pits, and into the pits, that pits full of water. Which kind of water they saw in there? In the pit, they saw stagnant water are stored in that, and they saw the larvae, the baby mosquito, into the water. And as they move around, lots of mosquito flew from the plants growing around. When they move from there, that time they saw lots of mosquito flew away from that plants growing around. Then Jaskirat feels that there are so many mosquitoes in her house because of these dirty ponds nearby. Due to these dirty ponds, and due to the stagnant water collected inside that, this Jaskirat feels, because of these dirty ponds, no, there are lots of mosquito in her house because of this dirty water. Now see, you have to write your observation. You have to tell, is there a pond or river around your house or school? Go and look around to observe this thing. You have to go in front of the house if lake is there, if river is there, and you have to write your observation. You have to write all these things. Now can you see algae in or around the water? Yes, we can see algae around and inside the water. Where else have you seen algae around the pond? Are there plants growing on the side or in water? Find their names. You have to go visit there, that place like river and the pond, and you have to look, is there plant growing or growing on the side of that water, and draw some this in your notebook. Do you think these were planted by someone or did grow on their own? No one can plant the plants into the water. They grow on their own. So now let's move ahead.